In the middle of the night on September 7, 1993, Christopher Simmons and a friend of his murdered an innocent woman, Shirley Crook. They broke into her house, duct taped her mouth and eyes shut while tying her wrists together, and drove to a nearby state park. There they walked her body to the Merrimack River, binded her legs together with electrical wire, and tossed her body over the bridge. 2 days later, Shirley's husband returned home to his house trashed and his wife missing. The same day, fishermen discovered the body in the river and reported it to police. The day after police had been notified, Christopher Lee Simmons was arrested on his way to school. He was 17 years old and a junior in high school. Upon investigation, it was uncovered that Simmons had hoped to kill someone and revealed the plan to his friends. And after the murder, he bragged about it to his peers at school, saying he had to kill her because the bitch seen my face. After being taken to the Fenton, Missouri police station, Simmons confessed to the crime and was charged with burglary, kidnapping, stealing, and murder in the first degree. Being 17, he was tried as an adult and was sentenced to the death penalty. His case was then appealed, and he received a new counsel. They fought against the charges and rulings, working to relieve him of the death penalty. Their defense was that Simmons' actions were based off of his broken home. His dad constantly beat his wife and kids, and for that reason, Simmons' mental state had been affected. After years of failed attempts at appeals, there was hope for Simmons. Following the 2002 case Atkins v. Virginia, the Supreme Court ruled that it was unconstitutional to execute the mentally disabled. Simmons' lawyers used this to argue the unconstitutionality of sentencing minors to death. Simmons' case was moved up to the Supreme Court of Missouri, where the outcome was a 6-3 ruling against the implementation of the death penalty on convicts who committed the crime before their 18th birthday. The Supreme Court of the United States then took over the case in order to prevent states feeling as though they had the right to overturn previous court rulings. In conclusion of their trial, it was yet again ruled unconstitutional to sentence a minor to the death penalty with a 5-4 ruling. Simmons is now completing his sentence of life without parole. His case altered many American viewpoints on the 8th and 14th Amendments, some positively and others negatively. This ruling has been set throughout the country that anyone convicted of a crime before their 18th birthday is not eligible for the death penalty.
Ain't nobody got time for that.